Man, you have to love that cha-ching sound. So what did I sell? Hey, you probably have seen it before. You know you did. If you're a follower of this channel, I just listed this. This was a bolo item that I found for $1, sold it for $69.99. Guys, I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. This is a lot of fun. Go out and seek those bolos. If you don't know what a bolo item is, we have several different videos up about that, and it's be on the lookout for those items. This one I found, I already pulled my bin out. And an interesting thing about this, I found it in a toy section, not in the electronics section. Paid $1, turned it into 70. So what I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to get this thing packed up. I'm going to take it out to ship it. But I'm also, and you want to hang around for this, I'm going to show you the entire order. I'm going to show you all the details, all the fees, all the shipping, everything. And I'm going to show you what eBay deposited into my account. So let's get this thing packaged up and get it out of here. Okay, so I'm going to slow down here and we're going to measure it. I've got my tape here right on the side of my bench. This one actually measures right on 12 inches. I always double check these guys. 12 inches by, that's going to be 7. Always round up if you go over an inch by 7. 12, 7, 7. And now we need to check the weight. Okay, so I've got my little scale out. And by the way, guys, all this equipment that I use, I'll have links for all of these things in the description below. Love this little scale. Absolutely love it. I've tried a couple different ones, but I like this one the best. So we're going to weigh this. And I'm going to zoom in for you here. You can see it's 1 pound, 6.1 ounce. You always round up 1 pound 7 ounces. I'm going to say 1 pound 8 ounces on this item. Now we're going to go over and get our label printed and get this thing shipped. Hey guys, so here I am on my computer and I'm going to print out the shipping label, but I'm also going to show you all of the breakdown of the order. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you what it sold for. I'm going to show you all the fees, all the shipping, so you can make your own determination of how well eBay works. I think you're going to be surprised. So first things up is we're going to go get the shipping label, and you just click right here under shipping label. Okay, so now the weight of the box and the size dimensions I put in when I listed this item, and you can go look at that on this other video that I just listed this bolo item. But this needs changed from 2 pounds to 1 pound. So anyway, here I am, and all I do is down here on the lower right, purchase the shipping label. Up will pop the dialog box. So here's the dialog box on the label, but all I do is click print. Okay, so I'm up on my order page right now. These are the details of the order, and you can see right here's the item, the Pinnacle Systems, and then here's how much I was asking for it, $69.99. Okay, so now let's follow this over. Over here, what your buyer paid. He paid $69.99. It's right here. He paid $13.05 on the shipping, and then the sales tax was $7.89. His total, the order total, was $90.93. Okay, so I'm going to stop for just a moment, and this is why I tell you you need to use calculated shipping on your listings, and make sure that you have your discount turned on for your account. What that does, you just saw just a moment ago that eBay charged me $7.56 or whatever for that label. Well, it's down here, 7.57. I'm going to show you. But the buyer paid $13.05. So you're going to see how this all works out. Just follow along. So here we are, $69.99, the shipping $13.05, his sales tax $90.93. So let's just follow this down now. Here's the $90.93, and here's his sales tax that they collected, which they're going to remit. You don't have to worry with that. They take care of it. Here's the transaction fees. Here's the one that everybody complains about and talks about, the $8.90. And then the shipping label, they charged me $7.57. So the bottom line here, my order earnings, $66.57. And again, I'm going to stop you here like I do on all of these type of videos. Look, right here's how much I wanted, $69.99. Right here's how much they deposited in my account, $66.57. So you can see, subtract that $66.57 from the $69.99, you can see it cost me what, $3.42. Cost me about $3.40 to sell this item on the eBay platform. So I remember the days when you went and took a want ad out in the paper trying to sell things, and those want ads were expensive. Guys, it cost me $3.40 to sell this on a $70 item. Cost me $3.40. To me, that's a bargain. I think eBay is a bargain that retirees can take advantage of, move items, but the key is the number one detail that you need to really pay attention to is the STR, the sell-through rate. This bolo, and that's why it's a bolo, has a very high sell-through rate. I listed it a video or two ago. You can watch it on my channel, and I sold it. Bang. I paid $1, sold it for 70. They put in my bank account $66.57 in just a couple days of having it on the eBay platform. Guys, it's not hard to do. eBay is a platform that's user-friendly for the seniors. It's not hard to learn, and you can have a lot of fun out there treasure hunting. So if you like it, like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't forget that I have coaching, and I also have a membership program. So if you think you need some personal one-on-one help with any opportunity that you're looking at, consider the coaching call. Become a member, like and subscribe. Guys, I'll see you on my next video.